Fluent English practice. Hello, hi, what is your name? My name is Sony. Do you understand? Yes, I understand. What do you do for work? I am a math teacher. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have a sister and a brother. Where are you from? I am from Delhi. How old are you? I am 25 years old. Are you married? No, I am not married. What day is it today? It's Saturday. Can you help me? Of course. What do you need? What are your hobbies? I like to cooking and creative crafts. Would you like some tea? Yes, please. Thank you. What time is it? It's 3 p.m. Do you like to travel? Yes, I enjoy exploring new places. Can I help you with anything? No, I'm good. Thank you very much. What's your favorite food? I love pizza. How was your weekend? It was really good and relaxing. Do you have any plans for tomorrow? Not yet. What's your favorite season? I like autumn. Have you ever been to Paris? No, but I would love to go here. What's your favorite book? I like to read Power of Subconscious Mindset. Do you play any musical instruments? Yes, I play the guitar. What's your dream vacation? I would love to visit the Malaysia. Did you enjoy the concert? Yes, it was amazing. How's your family doing? They are doing well. Thank you. Do you exercise regularly? Yes, I go to the gym. What's your favorite movie? I like comedies. How do you relax? I watch TV and read books. Do you like to cook? Yes, I enjoy cooking. What's your favorite animal? I like dogs. Have you ever tried sushi? Yes, and I love it. Are you sick? Yes, I am. When will the meeting finish? I don't know. How long have you been working here? I have been working here for 8 years. Would you like to leave a message? Please ask him to call me back. Did you get my message? Yes, I did it. When will he be back? He will back in 30 minutes. Can I speak to Alexander, please? I'm sorry, he is not here at the moment. Is there a bank near here? I'm sorry, I don't know about this. How long does it take? It takes an hour. Have you been waiting long? Only a few minutes. Where do you want to go? I'd like to go to the beach. Would you like to have dinner with me? Yes, of course. That would be nice. Can we have lunch together one day? Yes, it's with pleasure. Are you free tomorrow? No, I'm not. What are you planning for after work? I'm going for shopping with my friends and family. What's your favorite color? I like green. How's the weather today? It's sunny and warm. What are you going to do tomorrow? I'm going to go to the beach. Do you prefer traveling by train or plane? I prefer a plane. What do you usually do during your trip? I visit historical places. Have you ever been abroad? Yes, I have. I went to London last year. How many countries have you traveled to? I have traveled to 5 countries. Do you have any rooms available for the 15th of May? I'm sorry, we don't have any rooms available. How long will you be staying? I'm here until the end of the month. Do you have a credit card? Yes, I have. May I see your ID card, please? Here it is. What kind of room would you like? I would like a single room, please. Do you have a reservation? No, I don't. What time do you close? We close at 9 p.m. What time do you open? We open at 9 a.m. Would you like a recipe? Yes, if you like. Do you need any help packing? No thanks. I can manage myself. Can you offer me any discount? Yes, of course, ma'am. How much would you like? I'd like 2 kilos. Where can I find the milk? It's in number 3. Could you tell me where the fruit is? It's on the shelf. Can I help you find something? Yes, I'm looking for coffee. What's the purpose of your trip? I'm on vacations. Would you prefer an? May I have your passport, please? Yes, of course. Here you are. How long have you been feeling like this? For 1 week. What are your symptoms? I have got a headache. What's your hobby? I enjoy playing cricket and swimming. What's your favorite food? Sushi is my favorite food. What's your favorite color? I love the color green. What's your favorite drink? Orange juice is my favorite drink. What kind of films do you like? I'm a fan of horror and action movies. Where do you study? I'm student at Cambridge University. What time do you go to school? I head to school at 7 a.m. How do you get to school? I usually take the bus. What is your major? I'm majoring in computer science. Why are you studying English? Because it's very important and necessary. What do you want to do after you graduate? I aspire to be a programmer. How did you learn English? I took an intensive course. How many languages do you speak? I speak 2 languages. Can you speak English? Yes, I can speak English very well. How long have you been learning English? I have been learning English since I was 10 years. Which year are you in? I am in the 18 years. Do you have any exams coming up? I have graduated. What's your favorite subject? My favorite subject is maths. How is the weather? It's windy. What's your favorite holiday? I like Christmas. Can you ride a bike? Yes, I can ride a bike. Do you have any allergies? No, I don't have any allergies. What did you do last weekend? I went to the park with my friends and family. Do you like to take photos? Yes, I enjoy photography. What is your dream job? I want to be a banker. Can you dance? Yes, I can dance a little. Do you prefer tea or coffee? I prefer coffee. Where does your aunt live? My aunt lives in America. What languages does your family speak? We speak English at home. Do you live in house or apartment? I live in a house with my family. Where does your grandma live? My grandma lives in London. What is your aunt's job? She is an accountant. Where did your parents meet? They met at the university. What is your life motto? It is never give up and work hard regularly.